Ingredients: 1/2 kl. bread, sliced into small. 1 can evaporated milk, just add water if needed. 1/4 kilo. White sugar, add or reduce depend on your desired sweetness. 1/2 bar of cheese. 5 grams of salt. 1/2 can condensed milk. Procedures: 1. Add sugar, salt, evaporated milk and mix. 2. Put the mixture in the greased pan. 3. Flatten the mixture to distribute evenly to the pan. 4. Spread the condensed milk evenly on the top of the mixture. 5. Top with grated cheese. 6. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 35 minutes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.